Hello, good evening friends. In this lecture I am going to teach you how to use JLabel and JButton in Swings component. So I am going to create a simple program. In that program we will create a button and a label. When we click on a button, then the text written in label will be changed. Okay, so I am going to Notepad++, WinRAR plus Runbox and Notepad++, enter. First thing is import javax.swing.JLabel, import javax.swing.JButton, import javax.swing.jFrame, import java.awt.event.action listener, listener, import java.awt.event.action event. You may be thinking about that why I am not using just like that import java.awt.event.star, because when we use this type of way, mean to say we are giving the burden to the compiler of finding the class that will be used here. So we will not use this way of importing the package. We use just like this fully specified class name. Okay, then class name class demo extends JFrame. There are two ways to create any GUI windows, by use extending or by association. In this example I am extending the JFrame. Okay, then enter. I am creating a constructor demo and I need two things, JButton and declaring the object JLabel and creating the label. Okay, I'm just declaring here, and I will give memory here. B is an object of button type. New is a keyword. If you use new, then then we are giving the memory. Okay, click. This will be text available on button. Okay, b.set bounds, bounds, and 100 from x, 100 from y, comma 80 the width of the button and 30 width of the height of the button. Okay, I'm creating label L equals to new JLabel, creating the object of label by default text. Okay, and setting the bound L.set bounds 100 from x and 30 from top, comma 120, comma 40, maybe 30. Okay, we have created one label and one button. Now it's time to create adding these into the frame by using the method add. And we are using inside the constructor, so we don't need to create a frame object. We can directly use the frame properties here. Okay, we will add label, add button, भी add हो जाएगा. Okay, and then set size of the frame will be set. Size, I am using the size of frame 400, 400. Set layout, null. We will discuss about this later time. This about this. Okay, null. Why we are using here null. Set visible. By default it is false, so we need to create it true. Without doing this true, our frame will not be appear. Okay, we have created constructor. Now it's time to create a main method. Public void main, public static void main, void main string array args. Okay, now we just need to create a simple object of this current class. Demo d equals to new demo, and when the constructor is called, automatically called, internally called, then the frame object will be created, and then all the things are run. Okay, but here we wanted to use, when we click on the button, then the default text will be replaced by the default text will be replaced by the any other text that we want to replace. So I'm just simply running this, simply saving and running this program, and then later time we will do this. Okay, Control S to save, and I'm saving this as on desktop with the name demo, because class name should be same as its file name. So Java demo.java. Then I am going to command prompt by entering cmd. I have changed this property because it can look you very well. Okay, cd desktop, cd space desktop, enter java c space file name. What is the file name? Demo.java. Now our program is successfully compiled. There is no error. So java space demo, then enter. You can see here that frame is appeared. Okay, but our next task is, when we click here, this text will be changed by the text that we want to change. Okay, and also we need to, here you can see here, we need to this is not closed, we need to close it by using the Control C. Okay, so I'm importing the package and I'm using the anonymous class. I'm using anonymous class, just like that. You can look it, b dot add action listener, add action listener. Inside this we can create anonymous. I am creating an anonymous class, new class, new action event, and then here this is the anonymous class. If you are not able to understanding this concept, I will understand you it later time. We can do it in another way, but now you can look it here. So when we click on button, b mean to say button, then public void action performed method will be executed, and it takes action event it's not action event, it's action listener. Okay, here l dot set text. When we click on button, what text will be displayed instead of default text? Welcome, welcome. Okay, I'm just saving this program. Control S to save, and go to the command prompt and java c space demo.java. okay, java space demo. Thank you. Now it's our program is running. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and